Minor irregularities along front tooth edges can sometimes create an uneven appearance when viewed across the smile. A dental professional first evaluates the teeth and enamel to determine whether minor cosmetic contouring may be appropriate. A conservative contour is carefully planned to improve minor irregularities, while preserving as much natural enamel as possible. For suitable cases, tiny amounts of enamel may be professionally adjusted to begin refining an uneven tooth edge. Minor edge irregularities are carefully refined with controlled professional techniques to create a smoother-looking natural contour. The visible contours may be subtly balanced while maintaining the natural proportions and individual shape of each tooth. After contouring, the professionally adjusted edges are carefully refined to remove minor roughness from the treated surfaces. The adjusted enamel surfaces are professionally polished and checked to create a smooth, natural-looking final finish. Professional contouring may improve suitable minor edge irregularities, but it is not appropriate for every cosmetic dental concern. This video is for general education only. For cosmetic dental concerns, consult a qualified dental professional.